Welcome back to the Iraqi Dinar Hub channel. If you've been following our updates and staying informed on the latest developments in global currencies and market trends, you know that we are dedicated to keeping you up to date on crucial shifts in the financial world. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an essential update. Today, we have an incredibly significant and potentially game-changing update regarding the Iraqi Dinar. This is one of the most impactful events in the currency world, and we're here to analyze it for you, providing the insights necessary to grasp its implications and what it could mean for you. For years, the Iraqi dinar has been a subject of widespread speculation, with investors worldwide questioning when the long-anticipated revaluation (RV) would occur. Now, it appears that the moment many have been waiting for may finally be at hand. This development has the potential to reshape global financial markets and present significant opportunities for investors and traders alike. Whether you have held onto your Iraqi dinar for years or are just beginning to explore this unique financial prospect, this update is of utmost importance. Let's delve into the details, examine the factors behind this surge, and help you determine the best course of action moving forward. The financial landscape may be on the verge of transformation. To begin, let's review the major news. Recent reports indicate that the Iraqi dinar has experienced a dramatic increase in value. Previously, the exchange rate hovered around 0.00060 USD per IQD, meaning that 25,000 IQD was worth approximately 17 USD. However, new updates suggest that the value of the dinar has skyrocketed to an astonishing 350 USD per IQD. If this updated valuation is accurate, it would mean that 25,000 IQD is now worth an astounding 8,750 USD, an extraordinary rise exceeding 5,000%. This sudden appreciation in value has captured the attention of global financial markets, drawing interest from investors, traders, and institutions closely monitoring the situation to see whether the dinar will maintain its new valuation or undergo further fluctuations. This is a pivotal moment in currency trading, with the potential to significantly impact those who have long held onto their dinar in anticipation of such a shift. The excitement surrounding this dramatic increase is undeniable for investors, yet critical questions must be addressed. What is driving this rapid appreciation, and what actions should you take next? Understanding why the Iraqi dinar's value has surged requires examining Iraq's economic environment and the broader global financial landscape. For years, the dinar has been considered undervalued, with many analysts arguing that its market price did not accurately reflect Iraq's economic potential. Despite being among the world's leading oil producers, Iraq has faced economic instability and challenges. However, these circumstances are beginning to shift for the better. Iraq's economy is heavily reliant on oil, and recent years have seen record-breaking growth in this sector, making Iraq one of the top oil exporters globally. The continued rise in global oil demand has strengthened Iraq's oil revenues, providing a stable economic foundation and contributing to the appreciation of its currency. Increased oil production has bolstered Iraq's foreign reserves and improved its financial stability, attracting more foreign investment and positioning the country for further economic expansion. Beyond oil, Iraq is becoming increasingly attractive to international investors. Over the years, the nation has undertaken significant reforms to enhance its business environment, promote political stability, and upgrade its infrastructure. These efforts have started yielding tangible results, with major global corporations showing interest in Iraq's markets across various sectors, including infrastructure and financial services. Iraq's integration into the global economy is accelerating through international trade agreements, further enhancing the demand for its currency and driving its valuation higher. Additionally, the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) has played a pivotal role in this financial transformation. The CBI has collaborated with major global financial institutions such as the International Monetary Fund (IMF), the World Bank, and the U.S. Treasury to stabilize the nation's financial system, refine banking regulations, curb inflation, and strengthen foreign currency reserves. One of the key goals behind these measures has been to gradually align the Iraqi dinar's valuation with the country's economic growth, reinforcing its credibility and drawing increased interest from international traders and investors. While the Iraqi dinar's revaluation is a monumental development for Iraq, it also reflects a broader global trend. Many nations, including Iraq, are working to reduce their dependence on the US dollar in international trade. Over recent years, there has been a growing push toward diversifying global trade mechanisms and minimizing the dominance of the dollar. Economic alliances such as BRICS comprising Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa are at the forefront of this shift, advocating for alternative currencies and financial frameworks that operate beyond the influence of the US dollar. As more countries move away from dollar-based trade, currencies like the Iraqi dinar are gaining attention as potential alternatives, further fueling their value appreciation. If the Iraqi dinar's revaluation continues and strengthens, Iraq could emerge as a key player in this evolving global financial landscape, influencing international trade and currency markets on a larger scale. Given the rapid rise in the dinar's value, it is crucial for investors and holders of the currency to make well-informed decisions. While witnessing such a significant increase in investment value is thrilling, there are important considerations to keep in mind before taking any steps. First, identify which financial institutions are processing exchanges at the updated rate. With the dinar's appreciation, banks and currency exchange platforms are likely adjusting their rates. Confirm which institutions are facilitating transactions at the new value, and ensure you have the necessary documentation, such as proof of purchase, valid identification, and tax-related paperwork, before proceeding. Second, consider the potential tax obligations. A substantial rise in the value of a currency holding could lead to tax liabilities, including capital gains taxes, depending on your country's regulations. Seeking advice from a tax professional or financial expert is advisable to ensure compliance with all legal requirements. Third, remain cautious against fraud. As interest in the dinar's surge grows, fraudulent schemes and unlicensed operators may attempt to exploit unsuspecting investors with offers of unrealistic exchange rates. Always conduct transactions through licensed financial institutions and avoid entities making promises that seem too good to be true. Lastly, take a long-term perspective. While the temptation to cash out profits is understandable, carefully considering future financial strategies is equally important. If the revaluation remains stable, it could signify broader shifts in global finance, opening up additional investment opportunities, diversifying your portfolio, protecting your assets, and exploring reinvestment options such as stocks, real estate, or other currencies could help maximize financial success. Consulting with financial professionals can provide guidance on wealth preservation and risk management amid economic fluctuations. Looking ahead, the sustainability of the Iraqi dinar's recent appreciation could mark the dawn of a new era for the currency. Iraq's expanding oil sector, improving financial stability, and deepening global trade relationships all contribute to the dinar's strengthening position. However, this development is not merely about Iraq. It is part of a broader shift in the international financial system, as more nations move away from the US dollar and explore alternative trade currencies. The dinar's revaluation could signal a significant transformation in global economics. Whether you choose to exchange your dinar now or wait for further developments,